Well, carnivorous plants may look like something straight out of a science fiction movie, but they play an important role in nature. And now plant lovers from across the country are heading to the Triad to learn more about them. And here with us this morning is Kenny Coogan to talk about the upcoming Carnivorous Exotic Plant Symposium and Expo happening in Kernersville this weekend. Welcome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming back. We had so much fun with you the last time that you were here. So excited to dive into your display here. But first, tell us about the symposium that's happening this weekend.
Okay, well, I hope the Triad is ready for the biggest plant expo to ever happen. We're going to have 73 booths from vendors from all across the country are coming to the Triad to celebrate carnivorous and exotic plants. We're going to have guest speakers throughout the symposium. We're going to have 10 door prizes. We've partnered with the Signer Botanical Gardens, who were able to fund the 11 guest speakers from all over the country to give hourly presentations. They will be talking about conservation and cultivation of all of these really interesting plants.
Awesome. So they're beautiful. They're absolutely gorgeous to look at. But beyond their beauty, why are they so important to the environment?
So here in the Carolinas, we're the only place where Venus flytraps can be found in the wild. But in addition to the Venus flytrap, there's between 800 and 1,000 species that are carnivorous. And in North Carolina alone, we have over 30 species that are native to the Carolina.
So the Venus flytrap, that is
just one.
Just one. That's one of the ones everyone usually talks about. And you know, when you watch Mario or play the video game, they're huge and they're like, chomp. How do they actually work?
So over here we have some tropical pitcher plants. They're called nepenthes. They have some nectar underneath their lid, which attracts different animals like wasps and ants. And then that peristome, that really glossy mouth, is very slippery and the insects slide in. And then it takes the plants 2 weeks to 2 months to digest their prey. And then we also have a small version of a North American pitcher plant right up here in the front. And they also work similarly. Then next to them we have the Venus flytrap, which is the most famous one. They have some trigger hairs inside their lobes. If an insect or a small animal touches it twice within 30 seconds, some water moves around inside their cells and it becomes heavy and then it snaps shut.
Interesting. So beyond pest control, why are people so fascinated with carnivorous plants?
There's always something new to see when you're growing a carnivorous plant. So not just the trap, but the tendril, the leaves are attractive. You can have them, because there's so many, there's up to 1,000 species of carnivorous plants. You can have them inside, you can have them outside, you can have them in the shade, you can have them in the sun. So there's kind of a plant for any type of home growing situation you have.
So up to 1,000 species. So I have a lot of questions for you.
And that's out of 250,000 species of flowering plants. So it's actually a really small percentage of plants in general are carnivorous.
That is amazing. I have so many questions to ask you, so stick with us. Coming up, we're going to talk about some of the experts that are traveling to the Triad for this event. But let's go ahead and pull up that full screen for those that are interested. The Carnivorous and Exotic Plant Symposium Expo is happening May 16th and 17th at the Kernersville Recreation and Event Center. We'll have all those details uploaded on our website. You can see that full screen. Now, stick with us. We'll be right back after this break.